everyone, I am Shilpa Halwar, lecturer GPW Hubli. So in the previous session I have explained you about the basic concept of electrical drawings. In this session I will explain you how to draw a plan of a residential building and now how to give a electrical connection to that residential building. So before drawing the electrical connection to a building, first you should draw a plan of a residential building. See, this is a line diagram of a residential building. This is a simple line diagram. Okay, so it's having only one bedroom, hall, kitchen and toilet. For this line diagram you have to draw a plan. Okay, so plan means you consider the wall thickness, that is 300 mm, or you can take it as the 0.3 meter. So they have given the scale as 1:100. Okay, for that 1:100 scale you convert it into a drawing length. So how to convert that drawing length? Before also I have explained you that how to convert the drawing length. Once again I will explain you. So drawing length is equal to actual length into scale. Okay, so actual length is how much? 4. See, I will consider only this room. Okay, this is 4 meter width and the wall thickness is 0.3 meter and this side wall thickness is 0.3 meter, means total is 4.6 meter. Okay, into the scale is 1:100. If you are converting into a centimeter, means multiply by 100. Okay, so then how much you will get? This 100 and this 100 will get cancelled. You will get the 4.6 centimeter. Okay, so now what is your unit? So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Okay, so you have converted, this is 4.6 meter, means 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Okay, so based on this scale you have to draw a plan. So we'll start the plan here. Before that you should adjust your drafter correctly, then start the plan. So first I will draw here 4.6 meter. Okay, 4.6 meter. Okay, take a 4.6 meter and 0.3 meter is the wall thickness. Okay, so 0.3 meter is the wall thickness, and similarly in the vertical direction you again draw a 4.6 meter. See here, this is 4 meter is the depth and 0.3 meter is the wall thickness, so means total is 4.6 meter. Okay, again you take a 4.6 meter as your vertical direction dimension. Okay, so again here you consider 0.3 meter as the wall thickness. Okay, see, like this you have to draw wall thickness. Okay, so take here again 4.6 meter this side, 4.6 meter and 0.3 meter is the wall thickness. See here also you should provide the 0.3 meter is the wall thickness. Okay, so from this point just draw a line. Okay, see, this is the wall thickness up to this point. Okay, see here, draw a thin line. Okay, first you should draw a thin line. See, like this. 1 minute. Okay, so draw a thin line. Okay, so this is a 1 bedroom, that is 4 by 4. Okay, similarly you draw the remaining rooms, that is hall, kitchen and toilet. Okay, I will start here. The hall dimension is also 4 by 5. Okay, so from in the vertical direction it is 5 meter. Okay, so I will take it here 5. Okay, this is 5 meter. Again you draw a wall thickness, that is 0.3 meter. 1, 2, 3. Okay, similarly you draw the plan. Okay, see here, this is the plan of a residential building. This is plan at sill level. Okay, now I'll show the opening schedules. See, these are the schedules of opening. So the door size is 1 by 2.1 meter, and the door 1 D1 is 0.8 by 2.1 meter, and the window is 0.9 by 1.2 meter, and the second window is 0.9 by 0.9 meter, and the ventilators are 0.6 by 0.6 meters. So based on this opening size, you should give the openings to the building. Okay, so first we will come to the entrance, that is, see here for hall, this is the main door D, means that size is how much? 1 by 2.1 meter. So in the plan we will show 1 meter. So this total length is 4 meter. So that's why what I will do here, make a arrangement that door should come at the center. Okay, see here, or at one side. Okay, so I will give here 0.5 meter. Okay, so from this point I'll give 1 meter as the width of the door. Okay, see, this is my door opening. So for this door you have to show the steps also. Okay, so I have already explained you in the previous session that how to give the steps. So you should provide here only the length and width of the steps. That riser width is how much? 150 mm or 0.15 meter. See, I will provide here, just give the, later I will show you how to draw. So before that you should provide all the doors and windows. Okay, here one door, and this side it is a window. The window size is, main window size is 0.9 meter. So I will provide here window 0.9 meter. Okay, say from here to here, this is 0.9 meter. Okay, this is my one window, and second window, this is the window 1, that size is also 0.9 meter. So here this is 4 meter, right? From this side 1 meter, and here first you show here the door. See, erase this portion and show it here. This is the door. Okay, and this one is the window. Draw a center line. Okay, one center line. This one will show it as the window. Okay, so this is the main window, or you write it as the window 1. Okay, so next similarly you draw the remaining doors and windows of the building. Okay, see here, after showing all the doors, window, ventilators, everything, you should draw these all the lines dark. Okay, make it dark lines. The outer line should be dark lines, and keep the inner lines as thin lines only. Okay, see, after making dark lines you have to give the plinth line, that is the outside the wall. Okay, see here, this is after drawing the thick line, just provide the plinth line. The plinth line is 3 inch from the outside wall, or if you are converting it into a meter means that is 75 mm. If you are converting into meter means 0.075 meter. So take it as 0.1 meter. Okay, see here, this is 0.1. Okay, so draw a plinth line here, just draw a thin line. Okay, so here you should show the steps. Okay, so the width is 0.15 meter. Okay, and the length is 2.5 meter. Okay, or 2.5 meter up to here. Okay, just draw it here, then again another step. Provide 3 steps. Similarly, next step, provide these 3 steps. Okay, after giving steps, so you should name the building. See, this one is the bedroom. See here, this is the bedroom. All the naming should be in capital letters with the dimension 4 by 4. So here you don't write the meter. At the end of the diagram, just write all the dimensions are in meter. Okay, next this one is the hall. The dimension is 4 by 5 meter, and this is the kitchen. kitchen. The dimension is 3 by 5 meter. Okay, and this one is the toilet. This is 1.2 by 1.8 meter. Okay, so now you continue your plinth line. See, this is the plan of a residential building. So now I have drawn the plinth line to a residential building. See, this is the outer to outer length what this line is showing. This is the plinth line. Okay, after drawing this plinth line, just write it here that all the dimensions are in meter. Okay, all the dimensions are in meter. Okay, so if you want, you can show the opening of the schedules here, how much is the door size. Otherwise I will write it here, opening schedule. Okay, so main door, then D1, then window 1, then window 2, then ventilator. So these are the openings. So how much is the door size? That is 1 by 2.1 meter, then 0.8 by 2.1 meter, then this is 0.9 by 1.2 meter, and this is 0.9 by 0.9 meter, and the ventilator is 0.6 by 0.6 meter. Okay, this is the opening schedule. See, this is the plan of the building. For this plan you have to draw the electrical layout. That electrical layout drawing I'll show it in the next session. So thank you. See, this is the total plan of the residential building. So if you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay, thank you.